Hi friends, I am now at Mini Pangarsula, which is approximately 15,000 feet altitude above from sea level. It's been one of the most difficult treks I have ever done. Approximately 100 people started from base camp, and you see hardly 7 to 8 people reached here. And this is Mini Pangarsula. We have to go to the peak, which is another 3-4 kilometers away from here, and another 4 hours trek. खत्म हो गया and oxygen cylinders भी खत्म हो गया. Let's see if we can make it to the peak.